wanted to talk to you about the politics of Alzheimer's disease. Why would anyone be angry about the FDA approving a drug to treat Alzheimer's disease, especially when it's the first new drug approved in the last 20 years? Well, first a word about Alzheimer's. It's an awful disease. It causes about 2/3 of all cases of dementia. Dementia is a slowly worsening decline in the ability to think clearly and remember things. According to the Alzheimer's Association, more than 6 million Americans are afflicted by Alzheimer's disease. Alzheimer's disease causes the brain to atrophy or waste away. On a microscopic level, toxic tau proteins cause amyloid plaques and neurofibrillary tangles to accumulate in and around the cells of the brain. Cells of the brain are called neurons. A pharmaceutical company called Biogen developed a drug. The drug is called aducanumab, that's a mouthful, also called Aduhelm, to fight the disease. They were granted FDA clearance in June of 2021. The FDA clearance, FDA is the Food and Drug Administration of America, and FDA clearance is a stamp of approval that indicates that the drug is both safe for patients and effective in fighting a particular disease or group of diseases. It sounds like a reason to celebrate. A new weapon for doctors to use in a battle against a terrible scourge. But as of mid-June 2021, 3 members of the prestigious FDA panel that supervised this have resigned in protest. One of the members is Dr. Aaron Kesselman. He's a professor at Harvard Medical School, and he said the agency's decision on Biogen, quote, was probably the worst drug approval decision in recent U.S. history, unquote. What gives? Maybe it's just the latest example of politicization of medicine and science. On several occasions in 2021, Joe Biden claimed, quote, you know, if we don't do something about Alzheimer's in America, every single solitary bed that exists in America, every single one, will be occupied in the next 15 years with an Alzheimer's patient. Multiple fact checkers have debunked these outlandish claims, but maybe the damage was already done. And maybe the political pressure on the FDA caused them to toss the scientific evidence into the political winds. The share of Biogen surged after the drug approval, but faith in government, its agencies, its scientific experts plummeted in the wake of the latest controversy. Not surprisingly, the FDA has not responded to a request for comment. I'm Mark Argentiano. I'm a neurosurgeon. I'd like to know what you think. Please leave comments and consider liking and sharing this video.